Honorable Director General NCC, respected dignitaries, delegations, and my dear friends from India and across the world. Namaste and a very happy Republic Day to the great nation of India. It is a privilege and a moment of pride for us to stand here today as the youth representative of the Kingdom of Bhutan, joining you in celebrating this historic day that symbolizes democracy, unity, and freedom. We sincerely thank the organizers for giving us this platform to present to you our country and our story. Bhutan, known to the world as the land of the Thunder Dragon, is a small landlocked country located in South Asia in the heart of the Himalayas. It is surrounded by India to the south, west, and east while sharing its northern border with China. Surrounded by the surrounded by the towering mountains, deep forests, and crystal clear rivers, Bhutan is often called the last Shanbira, meaning the hidden paradise on earth. The first More than 70% of our land is covered in forest, making environmental conservation very significant. And we are proud to say that Bhutan is the only carbon negative country in this world, meaning we absorb more carbon than we emit.
Wisdom and commitment towards the nation's well-being. Bhutan is also a democracy that shows Bhutan's value of happiness, communities,
nations. Beyond countries.
Celebrating this Republic Day with you reminds us of the strength of democracy and the unity and the beauty of the unity